welcome to our Silent Unity monthly prayer service for April 2021. It's truly my honour to join you here in our quiet time. My name is Kimerie Mapletoft, as the Director of Silent Unity and Daily Word here in the UK. It's my privilege to take us into some quiet time together to meditate and reflect on the words that are shared. So I invite you to close your eyes if you're comfortable to do so, to take a few moments to get quiet and still as you relax your body. Let tension dissolve. And we set our intention together to join in prayer and meditation. Retreating for a few moments of focused prayer, we reset mind and heart in the essential truth of our spiritual nature. We anchor our attention in God, the source of all that is life-sustaining. We command the mind to be attentive, nervous system to be still, heart to be open, spirit to be free. By the unifying power of divine love, we pray in oneness with God. And so let us know for ourselves and each other, I express the peace and love of my Christ nature. We express the peace and love of our Christ nature. Right now, we are anchored in peace, secure in knowing that spiritual peace is possible regardless of any circumstances. As we focus on our Christ identity, we are empowered to express divine peace and love in this and every moment. In the silence, we pray into peace. And as we continue, let us affirm for ourselves and each other, I seek the guidance of Spirit and I move forward confidently. We seek the guidance of Spirit and we move forward confidently. For the Spirit of wisdom is a constant stream of guidance we can always rely upon. As we turn inward to wisdom again and again, we grow in trust of our ever-ready sense of direction. We trust and we proceed in confidence. We attune to wisdom now in silent prayer. And as we continue, let us know for ourselves and each other, I am renewed in mind, body, and spirit by the healing power of God within. We are renewed in mind, body, and spirit by the healing power of God within. For we are anchored in the truth of wholeness, aware of the power of God life within every aspect of our being. We renew our minds as we hold healing thoughts. We renew our bodies as we bless every cell and structure in our body temple. And we renew in spirit as we center ourselves once more in the silence. I am open to divine ideas and use them to prosper my life. We are open to divine ideas and use them to prosper our lives. We catch hold of and am inspired by divine ideas with which to live in purpose and passion each day. Anchored in divine abundance, we are poised for possibilities. Gratefully, in oneness with God, we prosper. Gratefully, we continue in prayer. And as we continue together, let us consciously know for ourselves and each other, I walk in harmony and acceptance with all beings. We walk in harmony and acceptance with all beings. We live in divine love, the power to harmonize our lives and our relationships with all beings. We walk in harmony, one with the love that God is. In a state of love, we accept, embrace, and celebrate the light in all beings. We pray in the silence. Anchored in spiritual peace, wisdom, wholeness, abundance, and harmony, we close this time of prayer in gratitude. We are grateful for our growing realization of God as our source, and for this time of embracing oneness as the truth of being. We close with the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Amen.